Well, we made it to the last one. Awesome. Good to be here. My name is Jared Seifert. I'm an industrial designer, founder, and CEO of Declassified. And we're reshaping a sustainable future with innovative and versatile sheet materials made entirely of recycled plastics. Our story begins in Bali, Indonesia, where I witnessed communities collect plastic waste from the rice fields, beaches, and streams and transform it into something unique and celebrated. This then led me to discover a global network of like-minded individuals through a platform called Precious Plastic, all dedicated to driving positive environmental change and addressing the plastic epidemic our world is facing today. Now, as an industrial designer, sustainability has always been a value of mine, and seeing these efforts take place on the other side of the world inspired me to find new opportunities here in Michigan. And after some research, I discovered that Michigan not only is ranked 8th in the nation for a recycling rate, but Michigan has the most trash in its landfills per capita than any other state in the US. And it's obvious. There's too much plastic out there, and a significant portion of it isn't being reused. Despite overwhelming plastic waste, recycled materials are in high demand. And in response, green certifications have become the norm. While these inspire change, there's still a challenge. Single-use plastics with a limited life cycle can only be recycled 3 to 5 times before they lose 50% of their original properties. These materials then require additional chemicals or virgin material to meet manufacturing standards. So, how can we extend the life cycle of a single-use plastic? Introducing Declassified's 100% recycled sheet materials. 3-foot by 3-foot sheets made entirely of recycled plastics and are fully recyclable. By capturing waste streams at the washed and shredded phase, our approach celebrates the original color and composition of plastic waste and transforms it into beautiful terrazzo and marble-like surfaces. Our versatile sheet materials are suitable for a variety of applications, such as architectural, furniture, and product solutions. We have positioned ourselves to be competitive with other materials in the market, and we have several emerging competitors in the US, along with European manufacturers entering the scene. But we're the only manufacturer utilizing Michigan waste streams and have access to some of the largest OEM furniture manufacturers and building material distributors in the nation. What sets us apart is our approach. We locally source and process waste materials and leverage nearby building material distributors to ship nationally. This expands our reach, reduces our costs, and lowers our greenhouse gas emissions. Our materials are also easy to work with. You can cut, sand, glue, fasten, shape, and use common industry tools and woodworking equipment. Our business model focuses on B2B sales within the commercial sector, and the U.S. green building materials market is expanding at a compound annual growth rate of 12.39%. Located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, we have received excellent market validation through letters of intent and interest from multiple manufacturers, distributors, and of course, designers. We have a team of seasoned creatives, developers, and entrepreneurs, and have aligned ourselves with industry professionals eager to help us and create a value-positive impact. I have personally invested $30,000 into this business and project a return on investment by the end of this year. Currently, we're strategizing funding rounds to enable the production of 4x8 and 5x10 sheets by Q4 of next year, facilitating our expansion and future growth. We've successfully entered beta rounds with manufacturers who just featured us in their 2024 NeoCon showrooms, the nation's largest contract furniture show. We're also on track to finalize material data sheets, which will enable us to expand commercially. We're seeking $617,000 for the procurement of large format machinery and a variety of services to expand product capabilities with great impact. We're Declassified, and we're reshaping a sustainable future with innovative and versatile sheet materials made entirely from recycled plastics. Thank you.